All right, the drink we're about to make is called Berry Wall. We're going to serve it up in a martini glass. Put some water and ice in there. Let it sit while you're making your drink. It'll be nice and chilled by the time you're done. Okay, measure out 1 ounce of gin. And follow that up with 1 ounce of sweet vermouth. Now we're just doing equal parts of those 2 ingredients. So if you want to do more or less, that's totally up to you. Now we're going to do a splash of triple sec. And get your strainer. Not a strainer, it's a shaker. We're going to shake it up really well. Get it very cold. And pour out your ice water. Now we're going to use our strainer and pour it in. And there's no berries in this drink, but it looks like it has berries in it, doesn't it? Bottoms up.